Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix your closed CashApp account. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so I'm on the official CashApp website. So if your account is closed, your CashApp account must close because of activity that goes against their terms of services. If you believe this is an error, tap the button below to contact support to appeal the decision. I'll tell you guys how to do it. So after you contact support, your account closure will be reviewed once again to determine if it's eligible for an appeal. If so, the appropriate team will review your account to determine whether your account can be re-enabled. Please note that the review process may take up to 30 days, but we'll contact you as soon as the review is complete. In the meantime, you will no longer be able to use most features in the app, but you can still withdraw your funds plus sell or withdraw any stocks or Bitcoin. So, if an account was open and linked to a closed CashApp account, the linked account will be also closed. So you just have to keep it in mind. So all you have to do, guys, if you think your CashApp account doesn't violate any of the rules, you just have to contact CashApp support by going to support.cashapp or just Google CashApp support and then just call them or start an online chat on your mobile app. You can also do it on your mobile app and just tell them to take another review on your CashApp account. So this is how you fix a closed CashApp account. If you found this video to be helpful, guys, then thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.